Welcome students, welcome to my next video. India and other countries. Political Science, Standard 9th. Before I start with the topic, I request everyone, if you like the video, please like it. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it and also share it with others. Now, my dear students, we are going to learn in this lesson how India has maintained relations with other countries, the countries of Asia, the European countries, the Southeast Asian countries, and how we have maintained friendly relation with the countries which are in our neighbors, and how we have tried to improve our relationship with the foreign countries. मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं इस पाठ में प्रयास करूंगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हिंदी में मैं बोलूं और इस पाठ को हम आपको समझाएं। इस पाठ में हम देखेंगे हमारा भारत दूसरे देशों के साथ किस तरह का व्यवहार रखा हुआ है। उन्होंने हमारे भारत दूसरे देशों में, हमारे बाजू वाले देश में, उनके साथ रिश्ता कैसा रखा है, उस रिश्ते को सुधारने के लिए हमारा भारत ने क्या किया, वो सब हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे और इसका अध्ययन करेंगे। आइए हम लोग देखें कि हमारा भारतवर्ष, हमारा भारत किस किस दिशा में हमारे दूसरे लोगों के साथ रिश्ता बनाया है और ये रिश्ता हमारे को किस तरह का फायदा हुआ, तो ये रिश्ते से दूसरे देशों को किस तरह का फायदा हुआ हम देखेंगे। मेरे आपसे अनुरोध है, मेरी गुजारिश है कि आप इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद अगर आपको पसंद आए तो उसको लाइक कीजिएगा। अगर आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और दूसरों के साथ इस वीडियो को बांटिएगा, क्योंकि जितना आप ज्ञान बांटोगे उतना ज्ञान आप में बढ़ोतरी होगी। आइए हम देखें कि हमारा भारतवर्ष, हमारा भारत किस तरह का रिश्ता हमारे पाकिस्तान के साथ, चाहे चीनी लोगों के साथ, श्रीलंका के साथ, इन सभी देशों के साथ किस तरह का व्यवहार हमने बनाया है, इस पाठ में हम देखेंगे। India and her neighbors. India's position in Asia is geographically and politically important. We have several neighbors: Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Maldives are the neighbors of India. The value of equality, mutual respect have great importance of India's foreign policy. Thus, India has got relations between South Asian countries. Now we will see how India has built relation with Pakistan. मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, हम लोग देखेंगे कि भारत ने हमारे बाजू वाले जो देश है पाकिस्तान, उसके साथ किस तरह का नाता बनाया है. In 1947, India was partitioned into two independent countries, India and Pakistan. With the blessings of the Britishers, our Indian subcontinent was divided into two, Hindustan and Pakistan. Indo-Pak relation was influenced by three main factors. One, difference in the worldview of both the countries. The Kashmir question, nuclear rivalry between two countries. India and Pakistan have totally different worldviews. In the line with the world view, India opposed military alliance of Cold War and tried to solve Indo-Pak conflict bilaterally. The Shimla Agreement of 1972 was based on this principle. On the other hand, Pakistan maintained relation with Islamic world and China and entered into military agreement with America. Pakistan considered Kashmir as the biggest hurdle in establishing relation with India. The first Indo-Pak War took place in 1965 over Kashmir issue. The Tashkent Agreement was signed, but nothing came out of it. Even though 1971 war was about creation of Bangladesh, it also had a dimension of Kashmir problem to it. Shimla Agreement in 1972 provided a new format interaction between India and Pakistan. In 1991, there was a conflict between India and Pakistan over the infiltration by Pakistan in Kargil region. The nature of the conflict has changed, and this type of conflicts can be described as terrorism. Both India and Pakistan conducted nuclear tests in 1998 that gave rise to new concern in this region. No more issues in Indo-Pak relation one more issue in Indo-Pak relation is the border dispute in Sir Creek area. Both countries have made effort to establish dialogue with each other. But considering the way in which Pakistan is supporting terrorists against India and engineering terrorist activities in India, all efforts at establishing dialogue are proving to be unsuccessful.